From plows to harvesters, fertilizers to balers, these machines are changing the game. The biggest harvester you have ever seen, which effortlessly goes through expansive fields, to the most remarkable plowing machine that goes through the soil like a knife goes through butter. These incredible machines are revolutionizing the agricultural market and helping farmers meet the growing demands, so let's dig right in. At number 15, the moldboard plow 6300 takes its place as one of the most advanced in its class. With exceptional features such as effortless maneuverability, 5 to 8 furrows, and large rear wheels ensuring stability, this plow is a force to be reckoned with. Its hydraulic plowing depth, optimized weight transfer, and high-performance capabilities make it a beast in the field. Farmers can now experience faster and more efficient plowing thanks to this cutting-edge machine. At number 14, we introduce the formidable Milo harvester, offering the swiftest solution for reaping bountiful harvests and expediting crop delivery to the market. This powerhouse machine enables farmers to effortlessly gather produce from expansive fields at an astounding pace, rivaling the agility of a jackrabbit on scorching days. Moreover, it ensures rapid transportation of Milo to the warehouse, surpassing the speed of a rattlesnake in relentless pursuit. As a result, farmers benefit from reduced transportation expenses and time, while consumers relish in the receipt of high-quality farm-fresh products. At number 13, we unveil the awe-inspiring Fen 920 Vario W6 Furrow Lemkin Jewel, a farmer's ultimate dream come true. This remarkable plowing machine possesses the prowess to carve 6 pristine plowing tracks simultaneously, propelling you through vast fields with the speed of a greased pig on a slip and slide. But wait, there's more. The Fend 920 harbors a hidden ace up its sleeve, a remarkable ability to toil tirelessly at dusk. Yes, you heard it right. With this powerhouse, you can unleash your plowing skills day or night, effortlessly maneuvering through the Earth's crust like a seasoned pro without even breaking a sweat. At number 12, get ready to witness the perfect blend of functionality and cost efficiency as this mighty tool elevates your farming endeavors to new heights. The coveted Pottinger lawnmower, every farmer's must-have companion. This essential piece of equipment seamlessly integrates with your trusty tractor, effortlessly transforming the arduous task of grass cutting into a breeze. With its precise cutting mechanism, it ensures an even and efficient trim, making the breeding process smoother than indulging in a slice of delectable apple pie. But that's not all. The Pottinger lawnmower doesn't just stop at mowing grass. It also produces superior forage, enabling you to save a considerable sum. Get ready for an exhilarating hay baling experience with the awe-inspiring Lely-Welger RPC 445 Tornado. This extraordinary grass baler seamlessly integrates with the rear of your trusty distortion machine, propelling you into the realm of hay baling mastery in the blink of an eye. As the grass reaches the desired level, the bale wrapping unit springs into action, expertly preserving the precious harvest for your beloved animals. Witness the pinnacle of efficiency as this remarkable machine revolutionizes the art of hay baling. Brace yourself for an unmatched level of productivity and satisfaction as you effortlessly tackle the task at hand. The Lely-Welger RPC 445 Tornado ensures that hay baling has never been this seamless and effective. Introducing the agricultural superstar at number 10, the hay baler, your ultimate companion in the realm of hay production and storage. This magnificent machine holds the power to transform loose hay into tightly packed bundles of strength and resilience, making transportation and storage a walk in the park. Bid farewell to the arduous days of grappling with unruly hay and embrace the era of precisely bundled stacks that are primed and ready for any purpose you desire. With the hay baler by your side, the days of hay-related struggles become a distant memory, replaced by a world of neatly compacted bales that elevate your farming endeavors to new heights. Rejoice in the efficiency and convenience bestowed upon you by this exceptional piece of equipment, and revel in the joy of effortlessly harnessing the true potential of your hay harvest. Gather round, farmers and enthusiasts, for the grand unveiling of the Harrow, a true hero among agricultural equipment. In the ever-changing landscape of farming, This versatile marvel reigns supreme, capable of tackling diverse conditions with unrivaled prowess. From regions plagued by scant rainfall to those shrouded in dense cover, the harrow fearlessly confronts the challenges head-on. Harnessing its mighty power, it deftly controls weeds and opens up the soil, creating an idyllic environment for plants to thrive and flourish. Behold, as this formidable machine transforms barren landscapes into verdant havens of growth, ensuring a bountiful harvest that defies the whims of Mother Nature. With the harrow by your side, farming becomes an artful dance, effortlessly overcoming obstacles and unlocking the true potential of your land. Prepare to witness the triumph of human ingenuity as the harrow battles the elements and emerges victorious, heralding a new era of agricultural success. If you're looking to create some precise grooves in your soil and get your crops growing like wildfire, then the bed machine is just the ticket. Coming in at number 8, this specialized device is available in various sizes and can reach operating speeds of 8 to 10 miles per hour. With its 20-inch tiller blade, carbide tip harrow, and flat bar roller basket, you can create the most beautiful and precise grooves in your soil, ensuring optimal seedbed preparation for your crops. It's like having a master artist sculpting the perfect canvas for your plants to thrive. If you also want to master the sculpting technique, then subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more exciting content. Now let's move on to number 7, the Precision Planter. This state-of-the-art machine takes planting to a whole new level. With its advanced technology, it can precisely place seeds at the desired depth and spacing, ensuring uniformity and maximizing yield. Say goodbye to unevenly distributed seeds and hello to a bountiful harvest. Get ready for the Class Syrian 4000 fertilizer machine, a true marvel of modern efficiency. Fertilizing your crops is now as easy as shooting fish in a barrel, thanks to the gooseneck feeder and unparalleled accuracy. Hit your target like a sharpshooter at a carnival game and increase your productivity. This fertilizer machine is like a swarm of locusts on a cornfield, constantly being fed by tank trucks. Unbelievable, right? Next up, at number 5, we have the crop monitoring drone. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced imaging technology, these drones can capture detailed aerial images of your crops. They provide valuable insights into plant health, nutrient deficiencies, pest infestations, and overall crop performance. With this information, farmers can make data-driven decisions to optimize crop management and increase productivity. Farmers, your work is never done, but with the Deere EXA 865M Gator and its Sprint 360 Yield Center Sprint system, fertilizing your crops on the fly has never been easier. This handy-dandy system allows for precise and efficient fertilization while on the move, ensuring that every plant gets the nourishment it needs to grow big and strong. Farming just got a whole lot smarter. Now let's talk about number 3, the vertical farming system. As urbanization increases and arable land becomes scarce, vertical farming offers a sustainable solution. These systems utilize indoor environments and vertical stacking to grow crops efficiently using artificial lighting, climate control, and hydroponic or aeroponic systems. With vertical farming, farmers can produce crops year-round, optimize resource usage, and bring fresh produce closer to urban centers. Tractors and plows working their magic, and black crows circling around expecting a feast. But fear not, because with this tree planting process, the farmers are about to give those crows a run for their money. Witness the ingenuity and determination of farmers as they conquer nature's challenges and plant trees like never before. It's a sight to behold. And now, taking center stage at the coveted number 1 position, we proudly present the pinnacle of agricultural innovation, the remarkable smart monitoring and management systems. This ingenious integration of cutting-edge technology, encompassing sensors, data analytics, and the marvels of artificial intelligence, revolutionizes the way we cultivate our lands. Picture a seamless symphony of information as these interconnected platforms diligently monitor crucial parameters: temperature, humidity, soil moisture, and crop growth, providing farmers with real-time insights and invaluable alerts, all conveniently accessible via their trusty smartphones. With this extraordinary power at their fingertips, farmers embark on a journey of proactive decision-making and astute resource management. Gone are the days of uncertainty and guesswork. Welcome to an era of precision agriculture where every action is guided by the wisdom of data and the finesse of artificial intelligence. And that's a wrap, folks. We hope you enjoyed this thrilling showcase of the most advanced agriculture machines working on another level. From plows to harvesters, fertilizers to balers, these machines are changing the game and making farming more efficient than ever before.